space and time. And I know how things must seem so fragile in our shells. And it's not so binary how we journey to ourselves. So how can I help watching the clouds pass through? No clue in the time, no reason to be subdued. We all know we face for the first time. We draw the lines, just read in between. I'm chasing you. Pause myself, hold my breath before I die. Like jellyfish beneath the surface, the sparks that make us thrive.
Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Lynette Lynn coming from Uganda, East Africa. Right now I'm in the countryside, which is the western side of Uganda, and it's a very beautiful place to live in, to be in. I enjoy it every other day, and today right about now I was out in the wild enjoying. So I hope you guys come along, see a little bit of fruits I'm gonna find there and how it looks like, and just chit chat here and there. And I hope you like this video. If you do like solitude where everything is peaceful, green, hearing the birds chirping in the background, the water noises and stuff like that, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to comment if you haven't subscribed. Make it a point that you subscribe road to 1,000, and together we can make it. And I appreciate everybody of you that has been subscribing. I don't take that for granted. May God truly bless you with long life and everything that you desire. And yep, peace to everybody that stays watching my videos. I love you all. Apparently these are berries. When they are too ripe, they turn to reddish or maroonish kinda, but this is like yellow. It is almost turning to reddish, and I'm gonna take it. And these are still young, still green, so I'm not going to eat these ones because that will be wastage. They want to be that delicious and sweet. You can't be in the wild without eating wild fruits, so let's first take this berry. Unfortunately, there weren't many ripe ones, but let's take this one. And this won't be as sweet as the one which is maroon or reddish, but this one is better than the green one. The taste is like crunchy. The seeds are crunchy. And then the taste is like salty like, but they are berries, and their tree has like thorns. So these are berries that I was eating, but when you check on its tree, which is this one, it has like this small thorn. And you guys, if it pierces you, you will feel the pain big much. You see, it has those small thorns all over. So this that you're seeing right here, that is cemented, as you can see, and even inside it is cemented. They used to put water for cows. Cows would come and drink from here, but I think apparently they no longer do that. But cows used to drink from here, basically. But it has now grown, weed has grown. Yeah, this is where cows used to come and graze. Cows used to drink water from there, or you would, but mainly it was like water. Although I'm in the wild, but it's not like too wild. The goats are grazing and cows also graze here. So it's not scary. I wouldn't put myself in too scary environments. I'm that a coward. So still in the wild, there are these fruits. The camera is not focusing. But this, it is all over here, all over there. This we used to eat these ones when we were growing up. I'm gonna pick this. This looks old. This looks ready. This big one looks ready. There are many. This also looks ready. Which other one? This. I don't even know how they are called in English, you guys. Like for real. Never had anyone say their name, but this is what I'm correcting, and I'm going to show you how it looks like inside. Know what I'm saying? It's like when you are in the wild, you can never fail to get something to put in your mouth, regardless. And I have to be very careful because these long grasses these ones, they can cut. They are like so sharp, like razor blade. So this is what I have. I don't know. Yeah, this is what I have. And so I'm going to be eating this. Like you will see what it looks like inside. Ta-da-dam. This is what I'm eating in the wild. This. Eat more. So guys, it's me. I'm in the wild, and I have this passion fruit that I've got while I was moving around. So I'm going to be washing it from the stream right here. As you can see, we have a stream here, and I'll be eating it right away. Woo. I also have an avocado, but it's not ripe, so this will be saved for later. But I'm enjoying out in the wild. Time to shade. Woo! Woo! See? I use this. Shade. Wano waka sikusomera. Woo! This has been shaded by this. From this fruit. Yep. Bearing in mind that those shades come from this. The one I was using to shade the stone. They come from this tree, this plant, which is very bitter. It's very bitter. And I have to first wash my hands before I eat anything like this, you know? Like this. Inside they are orangish. So, yep, when we were at home playing, those things of teachers and stuff, we used to use these ones to shade in our books. It has like this orange color. Do you guys see? So we used to use this one to mark, like to shade books. So I don't have any book here, but let me see if I can shade a stone. Let me shade a stone and see. Still in the wild. I'm now sloping. It's kind of hilly, so I'm like sloping, but it's not like wild, like with bushes, too much bushes and stuff, because as you can see, there are goats grazing in here, the cows come in here, so it's not like this crazy bush and wild stuff where you find like where you even fear to go in, fearing snakes and stuff. No, this one is not this kind of that. So this is where I am, chilling in the evening, out in the wilds of Uganda, East Africa. And this is how it looks like, you guys. Just checking it out. It's not like too much of a wild, because they graze cows and goats right here where I am. But this is how it looks like. The sun is sunning and I'm out basking in the sun rays. Right now it's coming to 5 p.m. So this is what is happening, and yep, just checking out the wild. Yeah. Out in the wild, you guys, with you guys. Yeah. So that is it. Still on the marb, and everything looks so calm, beautiful. That tree with red flowers, it looks so cute amidst the plants that are green. Yup. And we are following the footpath. Yay! Yo! Africa. This is the pathway that we are following. If everybody else passes here, you see? Now this is the junction. This one goes to the extreme end, but when it reaches here, this one goes there, and this one follows. So me, I was from this way. Let me check what's happening right here. And these guys had to cut the barbed wire, imagine. This barbed wire was cut for them to have a way. Oops. Anyways, let's continue this pathway and see where it will take us. So I'm going to follow this small pathway. It means people have been, passing here, because even when you look this way, it goes up the other extreme end on the other border side there. Yeah, people have been using this. So I'm also going to follow and see where it will take me. Yeah. Zoo. It's what I'm following. When you are in the wild, you follow where everyone else has been following, because it will take you to another place. So guys, apparently I fear cows. I fear that they might come run after me and knock me down. And I see there are many out here, and I'm not going to continue. I'm not going to proceed past here. I see one is coming after me, so this is how far I can go. I can't stretch more than here. I don't want to run with the cows because I don't know them. Look at that small one. It is not even standing still. Oh my goodness. No. Apparently, I feared being knocked down by a cow. I don't know where I would run to. All places are demarcated. They are. So this is how far I have stretched, and I'm getting out of here. I'm going back, you guys, but this is Africa for you. It's a beautiful place, a beautiful continent. We have a beautiful district. I come from the western Uganda, and it's pretty. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's beautiful, you guys. So until next one, I'm out of the wild. So see you guys.